Hello everyone, now you are discussing about this problem. In this problem, the condition is given as a retailer earns profit equal to cost price of 8 shares. The profit is equal to cost price of 8 shares. In place of the profit, we write it as a cost price. 8 shares of the cost price is equal to profit. Profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price. Okay, after simplifying this, we get the 33 cost price is equal to 25 selling price. The cost price by selling price is equal to 25 by 33. So the profit percentage is equal to, we write it as a selling price minus cost price is a profit, that is 8 by cost price 25 into 100. 25 4 the profit percentage is 32%. Profit percentage is 32%. We get as a 30.